It's falling. Secondly, with the inside, that incognito. The Asian is here. Tonan is here. You talk about washing now. And guess what? Light gone. So what gone? Rain and fall and light gone. What bubbles are drink?
Malta.
Oh no, it just through the buckle block, me have to wonder.
Yeah, the chef are the same thing because she think a dragon may drink. So early, crazy. I remember the party having, they studied out. Good bad come up here. Yeah, indeed. Sparta love me bad.
Yeah.
Sparta doing regular duty. I'm gonna let out somebody for me and then come back to regular broadcast.
Yeah. Alright, so I get back. Now I'm back and light is back. I look like a regular procedure time, I know. Director, what kind of day we have today?
There's a rainy day, people.
When the light come back, you start.
No.
Long time.
Oh, you start go up, you start check.
So, we have the heavens that deal with, which we can't do nothing about. But the light does forward so that we can open us up. Let's see if we can get something done because it's kind of unpredictable when we have cut again. So let's see if we can get busy.
That is it. Ready, Mark? Alright, so 30 minutes gone and the light's still not forward back yet. Still out yet. Alright, so we're heading to Top Hill now, right?
Next location, people. If I contend with
Power outage
rain,
and rain. For them say next system in the atmosphere. When name?
Chris? Wicked man,
Oh,
Chris.
Chris, are your name?
No,
Shout for Christopher.
And I mean that. The man, they are wicked man. So it's official now. Start beat. And I am visiting the location, you know.
we're going to make him a walk from around here, so. When Marina come through here, so.
Then buck again.
So, yeah, so the conversation can happen right here, so.
Okay.
So he walking in the car here.
And I told him buck up right after.
Yeah.
Alright.
So you see her? So Marina, what you do down here? I should start, the conversation start. Because that now what we can do is mix that with when Mullins and Bubbles in the thing I talk about.
Gee.
Right.
One and only scripting. Yeah.
I'm going to say scripty.
It's a the script of the second of sit down and go back
Yeah.
show. And by the time we start write and call Lincoln and Lincoln tell me something. We just jump up and say, you know something. Yeah.
Why, yeah, 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 yeah. La, 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 la.
You have service?
Scripty and service.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. That they want me to help them doing. If the youth are never in a construction before now, and just want to get in it now, that means something in a something, brother.
You say some things are right on the nose. Sometimes things are right on the nose and you not see it because you're busy at doing something else.
For real.
Oh, minister.
In a something.
That's why it was so hard to secure the projects.
That mean in desperate, you need something for sure and cash flow.
Yeah. And we stop taking every project. I'm gonna stop taking every project from him. We bid for. All when we now go to them, we just pass them on to other contractors.
Shut him out of business.
Right, true. No, me not take trick. And he believes say in military training frighten me. So I teach him a lesson.
You know somebody did go over the funeral home.
He still go over there. It's stubborn more wild, no brother.
I never go over there with my vibe. Never go over there with my vibe still. But